بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم يا أيها الذين.
So to every student who has earned a place in the honor roll, we celebrate you. Your hard work, resilience, and commitment to excellence have brought you to this moment. And we could not have been any prouder. Today we come together, not just to celebrate achievements, but to honor the dedication, perseverance, and excellence that define our students. The A+ honor roll with an average of 97.6 is Zaina Saeed. And for 12th grade A+ honor roll, Malak Al-Khalid. He also qualified for the state championship. With an average of 99.9. To the parents who encourage, and to the teachers who inspire, and the students who strive for greatness. This achievement belongs to all of you. Congratulations, and we are grateful to be part of your journey.